Welcome. Today we are still looking at place value and we are doing example 2. Example 2 is saying write down the place value of each digit in the numbers below. And the first number is 1695. So in your part of solution, you will say that 5 is in position of ones because we start from the extreme A here. This one stands for ones. The 5 is telling us that there are 5 ones, but that position is taken strictly by ones, is occupied by ones. And then we come to the second number 9. The second position here is taken up by tens. This tells you that in this number there are 9 tens, or tens are occurring 9 times. And then 6 is in the position of hundreds. This means that in this number there are 6 hundreds, or hundreds are occurring 6 times. And then we come to 1. 1 is in the position of thousands. This tells us that there is only 1000 in that number, and therefore that is the answer. These are the place values for each of the numbers. Now going to the second part B. Part B is 8, 9, 5, 6. No, it is 8, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are going to follow the same methods. This last number here, we start from the A. This last number, that position is a position of ones. So you just mark this and say these are ones. And the implication is that in that number, 1 is occurring 1 time. The next position is for tens, which implies that tens are occurring 2 times, or there are 2 tens in that number. Then we come to 3. 3 is in position of hundreds. That means that in that number there are 3 hundreds, or hundreds are occurring 3 times. And then we come to 4. 4 is in the position of thousands. That means there are 4 thousands, or thousands are occurring 4 times. And then we go to 9. 9 is in the position of 10,000s. Therefore, there are 9 10,000s, or 10,000s are occurring 9 times. And then we come to 8. 8 is in the position of 100,000. 100,000. This implies that there are 800,000s, or 800,000s are occurring, or 100,000s are occurring 8 times. Let's go to the last part, that is part C of number 7, 6, 5, 6, 3, 3. Here you have noticed that 3 is occurring. Okay, 3 is appearing 2 times, and 6 also is appearing 2 times. But that shouldn't worry you. What we focus on is the position of the number, not how many of them are in that number. Therefore, from the extreme end, this position is for ones, which implies that there are 3 ones. This position is for tens, which also implies that there are 3 tens. And then we go to 6. 6 is in position of hundreds. which means that there are 600s. And then 5 is in position of thousands, implying that there are 5,000s. And then 6, d6 is in position of 10, is in position of 10,000, 10,000s. This means that there are 6 10,000s. Yes, there are 6 10,000s. And then this position is for 100,000s, 100,000s. This means that there are 700,000. So simply, that is how you tell the place values, and that is the implication. Okay, that is the logical interpretation of what lies behind naming them as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. Thank you.